Hello, I'm Jim Wiest, President of Byrne Manufacturing. Today, I'm proud to share an exciting development in our ongoing mission to provide solutions for the trenchless construction professionals. We are pleased to announce the acquisition of the auger bore product line from American Augers, a division of the Toro Company. This strategic purchase combines two trusted names in horizontal earth boring, delivering even greater value, innovation, and service to our customers. With this addition, Byrne Manufacturing expands its capabilities to support a broader range of auger boring equipment and parts, while continuing to provide the high-quality machinery, custom engineering, and the same responsive assistance our customers have counted on since 1966. We want to assure all existing American Augers customers that their equipment will be fully supported. Our team is ready to provide parts, service, and technical expertise for both legacy American Auger machines and our own Byrne equipment. This acquisition strengthens our commitment to the auger boring industry. We look forward to serving our expanded customer base with the same dedication to quality, reliability, and innovation.